Anyway, got more coolant, so you keep running it, squeezing your hose. See the bubbles coming out, and then you rev up, hold the rev, and once in a while you'll see a whole bunch of air coming out. So you want to do this until the engine gets to the full operating temperature, so your thermostat can open. So thermostat opens and it flows through the whole system, so you get all the air out. So if you have your access port set up, look at your temps. My temps are right here, so I'm gonna get to about 195 to 100 degrees until the fan kicks in. The fan kicks at 205. Let it run for a little bit, let all the air get out of the system. And make sure your heater in the car set to high and fan is blowing. So because that's some coolant is circulating through the heater core as well, so it needs to blast all that. So far so good. All right, we'll keep running it until thermostat opens. Once that opens, it's gonna drain that whole thing out, because it's gonna start circulating the full circle. And I'm not gonna bother you with it, guys, or bore you with it, but so you do that. Once you start getting no bubbles in there, yeah, see, I'm squeezing the hose, I'm not getting any, so I think I'm pretty good, just a few, but I just want to make sure so I don't you know, have this issue later and do it again. So just gonna heat it up. See, there you go, some bubbles coming out. That's it. So keep doing that till the car gets all the way to till the fans kick in. Once they do, keep squeezing the hose for another couple of minutes. Yep, there you go. Here's the bubble. Watch it. Anyway, keep doing it till you run out of bubbles. Bubbles. If you watch the Trailer Park Boys, bubbles. We'll put a new tune and go for a test drive.